Hey guys, I know you already seen your title where we are. I know if we didn't have a title or a subject, you guys probably would be wondering, where is this? So yes, this is the Arbor View housing scheme. Just taking a drive through this scheme. Don't come this side very often, so I'm just taking the time to drive through this housing scheme. We are on Arbor Drive. This is the end we're approaching from Arbor Drive. First of all, I am Rush, the Discover Boss, and you're on the Raymore Reviews channel. If you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is absolutely free. Remember to leave a comment as well, like the video and share. And if anyone watching this video has ever lived in this scheme, owns a house in this scheme, still living in this scheme, you can definitely let me know in the comment section. So coming outside of downtown, outside of Kingston, this is a nice neighborhood to live in, to settle in. It's a scheme type community, but a lot of the houses have gotten addition, remodeling, expansion. You know, some of them looking really nice right now. So we're just driving around the scheme. We also know it's the home of the Arbor View Football Club as well. The road surface is a bit uneven, so you may get a little shakiness in the video. But again, Arbor View housing scheme, just driving around with you guys. I'm showing you guys something different, something outside of corporate Kingston as well. Alright, so I can't drive out the entire scheme, that would be impossible. So I'm just driving on some of the main roads. So the football club is around this side, which is the Arbor View Football Club. Let me just spin around. I know a lot of you guys probably came here to watch a match before, to watch a Premier League match. I'm not sure how many persons watching support Arbor View Football Club. I know they have had their glory days. Let me just go down this side. And as usual, guys, definitely let me know in the comments what you think about this community. If you would purchase a home here, if you would live here, if you probably lived here before, let me know in the comment section. Alright, so to the right is the community or the shopping center. We're not ready to go that side. Let's go around this side. So we'll end the video off at the shopping center, which has like the supermarket, salon, barber, KFC, and some of those places as well. think a library is around this side. So let's see if we can find the library. So on the right is the Arbor Parish Library. You know, the community has a library as well. I know they wouldn't be closed, they wouldn't be open today. So that's the library in front of us. And then that's the sign right here, the Arbor Parish Library. Alright, so this community though, I think it's going up in terms of value a lot, because a lot of these houses are rented to university students as well. So for example, a lot of the students from the Caribbean Maritime Institute, the school is not able to have enough boarding facilities, so a lot of these residents are happy to rent out a room or two. So the value of this community is going up. So it's also a good investment in that regards, because you know, persons are always wanting to go to school, you know, that will never change. So yeah, so a lot of these houses are, you know, a part of it is rented to students. So a good investment. And you also have, you know, corporate employees that don't want to be inside Kingston, because the Harbourview roadway is not very trafficy. So it's, yes, it's a little distant off, but it's not very trafficy. So it means that in no time you're in Kingston, and then the rent would be cheaper than, you know, some of the gated communities and stuff like that. So you have a lot of corporate professional that's out this side as well. Persons who work at the airport would reside in this community as well. So it's, you know, it's a decent community. I'm just turn back and head towards the town center, out where the new KFC is. Alright, so we're now out to the town center, if you'd call it that, or the shopping area. So we'll drive into the plaza. So we have Shoppers Fair supermarket. That's the first thing I see. We have some nails salon, barbering, ATM, car parts. And they usually used to have an NCB around here. Don't think it's here anymore. So this is inside the shopping plaza or the shopping center. Alright, so let's drive around, then we go back onto the main and then out where the KFC is. I think they came here probably 2 years now or a year and a half. So they're the main fast food joint in Harbourview. I think they had a Popeyes on this shopping center before, but I guess it closed down. So Harbourview Shopping Center. So this is the other side to the shopping center. So out here now you have a gas station, the KFC, and some shops are on this side as well. They need to pave. What I realize, a lot of these shopping center that has been around for a while, you know, they become run down and neglected, and then they don't pave the roadway or anything like that. So I think they're alright, so they are putting in some work on this side of the plaza though, because I know that the painting is new and they seem they have changed the corridor and stuff like that, and I'm seeing some work going on, even that red entrance. So they are doing some renovation on this portion of the plaza because it's a lot of shops, and if the right businesses come here to support Harbourview, because it's a bit distance outside of Kingston, so it's good that you have everything that you need, so you don't need to go outside of that you don't need to go into Kingston, so that would be good. So I think they are working on it in terms of improvement, slowly but surely. They are coming from a far way. So this is Harbourview, guys. Driving through the Harbourview housing scheme, driving through the Harbourview shopping center. Just showing you guys around the place. Remember to leave a comment, remember to like, remember to subscribe and share. And I'll definitely see you on another driving video.